Hey class, and welcome to lesson 9.6, problem solving, finding a rule. Let's begin by looking at our essential question. How can you use the strategy solve a simpler problem to help you solve a problem with patterns? Well, let's begin by taking a look at our word problem. On an archaeological dig, Gabriel separates his dig site into sections with areas of 15 square feet each. There are 3 archaeological members digging in every section. What is the area of the dig site if 21 members are digging at one time? So, what is it we need to find first? I need to find the area of Gabriel's archaeological dig site. So, what information do I need to use? I can use the area of each section, which is 15 square feet, that there are 3 members in each section, and that there are 21 members digging. So how will I use the information? I will use the information to search for patterns to solve a simpler problem. Okay, so let's begin solving the problem. All right, possible rules. Multiply the number of sections by 3 to find the number of members. So we're going to multiply by 3. Right? Multiply the number of members by 5 to find the total area and complete the table. So the area of the dig site, if 21 members are digging, is 105 square feet. Now let's take a look at another problem. Casey is making a design with triangles and beads for a costume. In his design, each pattern unit adds 3 triangles and 18 beads. If Casey uses 72 triangles in his design, how many times does he repeat his pattern unit? How many beads does Casey use? So we're going to use the graphic organizer below to solve the problem. So we'll begin with, what do we need to find? So we need to find the number of times the pattern unit is repeated and the number of beads Casey uses. So what information do I need to use? We can use the number of beads and triangles Casey uses in one pattern, and that his costume has 72 triangles. So then, how will we use the information? So we are going to use the information to search for patterns to solve a simpler problem. So let's get started solving the problem. So we can divide the number of triangles by 3 to find the number of times Casey repeats the pattern unit. To find the number of beads he uses, we can multiply the number of triangles by 6. Since there are 72 triangles and 72 divided by 3 equals 24, Casey repeats his pattern unit 24 times. Since 72 times 6 equals 432, Casey uses 432 beads. So Casey repeats the pattern unit 24 times and uses 432 beads. So what rule could you use to find an unknown number of beads if you know the related number of triangles? We can multiply the number of triangles by 6 to find the number of beads. Alright, so let's take a look at tonight's password. It says, a pencil factory makes boxes containing 16 pencils each. If the pencil factory makes 24,880 pencils one day, how many boxes of pencils would be made? Is it A, 1,055, B, 1,555, C, 1,556, or D, 398,080? Be sure to record your answer in your math journal and bring it with you to class tomorrow. See you then.